It's the end of March here in Zone 7, and I wanted to show you this beautiful flowering kale that I had planted in the fall. And I thought when it said flowering, it meant that it looks like a flower, but that's actually not true. It's absolutely gorgeous. I think this one might be called Nagoba Red, but I've seen some of my neighbors who planted a bunch of them all together, and it just looks stunning now. So not all of these overwintered very well. We had a really rough winter, but in the fall it sort of has this beautiful purple center that was really nice with pansies. And these pansies also overwintered. They're looking pretty good, actually. The Dusty Miller survived, not all of them did. And this is a Mexican feathergrass that had been beautiful all winter because it sort of was floaty and brown, very light, and now it's growing. I had sheared it back about a week ago, and it's got some growth coming out now, so that's pretty. But this is really the star of the show. I wish that I had planted more of them in these containers, and next year I definitely will. But look at these beautiful purple stems and then the yellow flowers, just in time for spring. Thanks for watching.